Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Windows update with the error code KB5060999, a cumulative update for Windows 11 versions 22H2 and 23H2 covering builds number 22621.5472 and 22631.5472. So these issues fails to install by getting stuck a certain percentage or throwing an unspecified error. And few reasons why KB5060999 might fail include corrupt Windows update components, missing system files, background services, conflicting software, and issues with the update cache. And then I'll show you how to fix it. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions that we're going to do is to run the Windows Update troubleshooters. So all you have to do is to click on search menu, and then here then you need to type this troubleshoot settings, and then you need to click open. And then once you open up here the troubleshoot settings, and on right side, and then you need to select now this additional troubleshooters and then click. And then here now at left side navigation pane, here at additional troubleshooters, and under at get up and running, and then you need to select Windows Update and then click. And you can see this run the troubleshooters, and then you need to click again. And pop up this Windows Update detecting problems. So here we need to wait to complete the initializings and diagnostic process. And then troubleshooting has completed, and problems found that server's registration is missing or corrupt. It's already fixed, you can see here. And also you can view the detailed informations about these issues, and you need to follow the screen's instructions to fix other issues and error here. And then you need to tap this next settings. Alright, so once you're done here, then we need to close. And the other solutions that we're going to do is to reset the Windows Update components. So all you have to do is to click again on search menu. And then here you need to type cmd, or this is the command prompt. And then you need to select this run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click yes. And then once you open up this administrator command prompt, and the next step, then you need to type this command keyword as fc space slash scan now. So slash scan now, that is one word, and then press enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So here we need to wait to complete the verifications into 100%. So this command keyword as fc scan now is a command used in Windows to run the system file checker SFC tool, which scans all protected system files on your computer and replaces any corrupted or incorrect versions with the correct Microsoft versions. And then we need to wait to complete the verifications. And verifications 100% complete. And the next command keyword that we need to enter, so just type and copy this command keyword. DSM space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash restore health. So use keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus C to copy this command keyword. And the next step, then we need to paste in here Ctrl plus B and then press enter. And deployment image servicings and management tool. So here we need to wait again to complete the verifications into 100%. And then the operations completed successfully. And then you need to close this CMD, and you need to restart this PC to fix this error. Alright, so after restart this PC, but if the error still persists, and the next solution that we're going to do is to click again on a search menu, and then you need to type again a CMD, or this is the command prompt, and then you need to click this run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click yes. And then once you open up again here at administrator command prompt, and the next step, then we need to type this command keyword NATSH space WNSOC space reset. So just type this command keyword NATSH space WNSOC space reset, and then press enter. And successfully reset the WNSOC catalog, you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. And then we need to close. And then we need again to restart this PC to fix this error. Alright, so that's it guys. And thanks for watching, and hopefully this video was helpful to resolve Windows Update error on your PC. And give it a thumbs up and share it with others who are having problems with Windows. And if you're new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest for Windows Guide tutorials. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorials.